Hi, I'm estate planning attorney Mike Smith with Smith Barid LLC, and I'm one half of the estate planning guys. Did you know that even an irrevocable trust doesn't have to be set in stone, despite what you might have heard? Most people think that their estate plan is locked forever once they sign it, but I'm going to show you how adding a trust protector gives your family the flexibility to adapt when life changes. And I'm going to use the term trust protector. Different states use different terms for that role, but trust protector is sort of the general term that describes any of those specific terms that are used in different states. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how a trust protector can ensure your estate plan evolves with changing laws, family dynamics, or unforeseen circumstances, all while protecting your original intent. With over 2 decades of experience, I've helped countless families ensure their estate plans stand the test of time by incorporating trust protectors. Today, I'll share with you why it's such an important role in modern estate planning. First off, let me explain what a trust protector is and why they're becoming so important. A trust protector is someone appointed to oversee a trust and, if needed, make changes to it down the line. Here's the key. Unlike a trustee who manages the trust day to day, the trust protector's job is to step in only if there's a major change or some sort of problem. So, for example, if tax laws change and the trust doesn't quite meet what the person who created the trust maker was trying to accomplish, the trust protector can amend the trust to take advantage of the changes in the tax laws. Or if the family's needs evolve in a way that the original trust didn't anticipate, the trust protector can step in and make changes to the trust to accomplish those original intentions. So why have one? A trust protector can modify the trust to reflect your true intentions without needing a lengthy and expensive court process. Without the trust protector, if you want to make changes to an irrevocable trust, it can be a fairly difficult process that involves going through a court proceeding, and it can be kind of expensive to do that. So this is what nobody understands. A trust protector is your way of adding flexibility to something that's typically considered inflexible. If you're learning something new already, be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any other estate planning insights like this one. So let's dive deeper into what a trust protector can actually do. And it's going to depend on how the trust is drafted, what powers the trust protector has. It could be very broad or it could be very narrow and specific. So think of them as a safeguard who can amend the trust without undermining your wishes. They can do things like replace trustees if something goes wrong, update trust provisions to comply with new laws, or even adjust the terms of distribution if your family's circumstances change. For example, say your trust was created when the estate tax exemption was lower. If tax laws shift and threaten your family's wealth, the trust protector can modify the trust to minimize taxes without needing to redo the entire plan. So that's an example. Now you might resonate with this. Life changes, and so should your estate plan. A trust protector ensures that your plan keeps up with your needs. If you're interested in free information about estate planning to help you learn more, go to our resources page. It's linked in the description below, and you'll find guides and tips that you can download and read at your leisure. Now, let's talk about when it makes sense to appoint a trust protector. The most common scenario is when you create an irrevocable trust, a trust that can't easily be changed or revoked. Without the flexibility, that trust could become outdated if tax laws change or family situations shift. Another time when you might appoint a trust protector is when you're setting up a revocable trust. Now, a revocable trust you can change anytime you want to while you're alive and you're competent. But after you've passed away, that revocable trust is going to become irrevocable. And at that point, a trust protector may need to step in and make changes to the trust in order to make sure that your wishes are carried out the way you wanted. So here's when everything changes. By appointing a trust protector, you maintain control over the long term. The direction of the trust is controlled by your wishes and what you've directed the trust protector to do without locking future generations into a rigid structure. Additionally, trust protectors can ensure that special circumstances are handled properly. For example, if your trust benefits a child with special needs, the protector can adjust distributions based on new needs or support systems that come up. So this is, really what nobody considers. A trust protector doesn't just help your family today. They ensure that your trust that you're setting up now remains effective for years and generations, no matter how laws or life evolve. So in summary, a trust protector is your key to ensuring that your trust stays flexible, responsive, and aligned to your wishes even when life throws unexpected changes your way. From adjusting to tax law shifts to protecting your heirs, this role is essential in modern estate planning. Want to learn more about keeping your estate plan up to date? Check out this next video on how to use trust for protecting digital assets. I think you'll find it valuable. This is Mike Smith with the Estate Planning Guys.